So first turn on the bike and then quickly double click M button. And we are now at the settings page. Click M button to enter basic settings. Press minus button to scroll down. To add, change passcode. M button to enter. Enter the default passcode, which is all 0. M, 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 M. And then enter the new passcode. Let's say we're going to change it to all 1. So press plus button, and then M button, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M. Repeat. Plus, M, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M, plus, M. Succeed.